Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide
for Ford's 1992 to 1996 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support the axle with jack stands. Remove the wheel and remove the bolt securing the leaf spring to the hanger. Lower the axle to allow the leaf spring to drop away from the frame rail. Remove or relocate any lines and power harnesses from the work area. Our part features perforated plates that can be removed to allow the part to be installed around the factory fuel tank crossmembers retaining rivets. If you are not replacing the crossmember, remove these plates at this time. Alternatively, this repair kit includes extra hardware that can be used to replace those rivets, making the crossmember's replacement process easier in the future. This repair kit also contains hardware that can replace the factory hanger hardware. If you are unable to remove the hanger using tools, cut, torch, and punch out the bolts, freeing the hanger. Step 3. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal, followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Push the section onto the frame rail, and with the included hardware, reinstall your leaf spring hanger. Doing so will ensure the part is both aligned properly and fitted tightly to the frame for welding. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area. Following proper welding procedures, weld 100% around all edges of the frame section. Step 4. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your leaf spring, and you're done.